version, and when you are going to install a new version, it automatically upgrades. So that
Mm.
has an that is mostly done for the 80% of the exe application. It automatically upgrades. If it doesn't upgrades, then in that case have a script we can have a script, and in that case we have to give the uninstallation command of the older version and then the installation command of the newer version. Same way you can do it for msi application also, but uh, few organization says that no, we don't want to do it, we want a complete automated thing, and we want to do it via that upgrade table. So
Mm.
most of the company also says that if you have an MSI MST, we do not want to have a script until unless some requirement is there in which you cannot do it via MSI MST, and then you have to write a script. If everything is possible via MSI MST, then we do not write a script. So this is one way that yes, it is possible. Very simple thing that we can upgrade our application from older version to the newer version. So upgrade is a process of updating the earlier version of a Windows installer package, that is adding, changing, deleting new files and registries. So what you are going to upgrade, you are going to upgrade the application older version to newer version. In that case, maybe you are going to add few files, or you are going to replace few files. You are going to modify, or you are going to modify or delete some files and registries. So that is the basically process of upgrading it. Now, the upgrade table contains information required during major upgrades to fully enable the installer upgrade capabilities. Every package should have an upgrade code property and an upgrade table. So, this is a section of an upgrade table wherein we have this upgrade, wherein you are going to upgrade your application from older version to the newer version. So, if you see the screenshot, this is a section of upgrade table. First of all, when we are going to upgrade any application, the application name should be same, only the version it is going to change. So for an
Mm.
example, you have packaged Google Chrome version 1, now you're going to package Google Chrome version 2. So application is same, just that the version is getting upgraded. So if it is version 1 to version 2, then we call it is a major upgrade. If it is version 1 and then you are going to upgrade to version 1.1 or 1.2, then we call it as a minor upgrade. Okay, so
Yeah.
upgrade code for all this particular application version is going to be same. If you open any older applications of Power BI, and when you're going to upgrade with new, upgrade code will be similar, just that the product code gets changed, and we as a packager cannot change the upgrade code. If you're going to change the upgrade code, or if you're going to change the product code also, your application functionality will be getting interrupted. So as per standard, we cannot change all this.
Mm.
The upgrade code property in this column specifies the upgrade code of all products that are to be detected by the find related products action. So this is some of these are the few actions which helps you to find the like how what and all you have to upgrade. Rather, you have to upgrade the full application by uninstalling the older version, or you have to just upgrade or add few files or registry. So this find related products action becomes an important part, wherein it is going to help you to find that what it is going to upgrade. So
Okay.
this is the find related products, which is going to detect correspondence between the upgrade table and install products. So in upgrade table, you are going to give few, you are going to fill few column, and whatever the product which is installed in your machine, with that it is going to find the difference, and accordingly it is going to upgrade your application. The upgrade code property is a GUID representing same as our component. It is a globally unique identifier representing a related set of products. So with this upgrade code, we will come to know, okay, this is an upgrade code for Power BI desktop. The upgrade code used in the upgrade table to search for related version of the products that are already installed. So whatever the version is there, as per that you are going to come to know that which version it is going to is already installed. The upgrade code stored in the upgrade code property should remain the same for all versions at a product. So it is going to be unique. It is
Okay.
going to be same. Now, first I'll explain the column and then I will read the difference, read the definitions. So first is the upgrade code. This you can get it very easily when you're going to open an install shield. In the general information only, you can get your application upgrade code.
Okay.
Okay. Then is the version minimum, version maximum. So if you can see, the version is already mentioned and both the version is same. Just that uh, in the first section it is mentioned as the version maximum, and then down section the version minimum is mentioned. So why? So if you see the action property, we have two action property. One is the wix upgrade detected, another is the wix downgrade detected. First of all, this is a public property and this public property should be a part of uh, a secure custom property. So you have to see it in the property table. Then the secure custom property should be added, and this to action property which you have mentioned, that should be mentioned. If it is not mentioned, then you have to mention it by yourself. So this becomes something which nobody can change it. It is only the person with elevated privileges can change it. Now, in the section of upgrade detected, we have to mention the max, version max, and in the downgrade we have to mention the version minimum. Now the question is, what is this version, how we are going to specify it? So uh, for an example, you have a version 1 and now you have to upgrade it to version 2. So the version 2 which will have the full version, that version you have to specify it here. So the highest version, so whatever the lower version will be there. For an example, you have to upgrade to version 2. Maybe some users will have version 1, maybe some users will have version 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 8, 9 till 1.9. Whatever the version is there, it is going to uninstall that all that previous version and then it is going to upgrade it to the version 2 which
Hmm.
you are going to package it. So that version is this version max and version minimum.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the language is, you can keep it blank also, or you can specify whatever the language uh, for which whatever language you are going to package. Like we have a standard now, we give English. So if you are going to English, then it is going to work only for those system in which the language keyboard is set to English.
Hmm.
You can either keep it blank so that it doesn't work as per the keyboard language, or but if you want to specify it, maybe your organization is only dealing with the English language, then you can specify the language.
Okay.
Then we have an attributes, I'll explain, we have a slide for that. And then is the remove also, you can keep it as blank or you can specify as per the properties. Now this is the version minimum, version maximum, the definitions. So version minimum is basically the lower boundary of the range of the product version detected by the find related product. Find related product is that only. I'll show you. It's the this action property through which it has find out. Then version max is the upper boundary of the range of the product version detected by the find related products. See, when you're going to explain it to somebody,